swinging high, jumping up into the sky, swinging fast, swinging slow. Watch that monkey go, go, go. Ooh, ah, ah, that's the sound of a happy macaque. Ooh, ah, ah, swinging in the tree, so free, so fast.
Panda, chomp, 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 munching leaves with a happy stop. Crunchy, monkey, bamboo snack, nibble, nibble, no looking back. Chomp, chomp, chew, chew, that's what baby pandas do. Chomp, chomp, yum, yum, eating till their bellies full and plump.
Lion, lion, roar so loud, mighty king, standing proud. Golden mane, big and bright, roaring strong from day to night. Oh, hear that sound, the king of the jungle is all around. Roar loud and clear, baby lion says I'm here.
Let's make sounds like animals do. Sing along, it's fun for you. I'll make a sound, then you say too. Guess the animal. 1, 2, go! Ooh, ah, ah. Who swings in trees? Chomp, chomp, yum, yum. Who eats bamboo? We had fun at the zoo today. Singing, laughing, learning, yay. Monkeys swing and lions roar. Pandas munch and there's so much more.